Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know. And for today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of Jamie Greenberg's swag bag. So if you don't know, Jamie Greenberg is a makeup artist based in LA. And I have been doing these videos whenever I really get a box from her. I feel like I maybe missed the last 2 months or so. It has been very, very busy, as you guys know, but I decided to let me go ahead and film this for you guys. You guys really seem to like different sort of unboxings, so I really do hope that you guys enjoy this. I don't have the actual bag with me, again, just because of everything that is going on. I Lysoled everything, wiped everything down, wiped these products down. I have really just been taking an extra step of precaution. So I don't have the actual swag bag with me, but I do have the products. Everything has been wiped down just for myself. I know, and I really do trust that Jamie and her team are doing like an amazing job at that, but just for my own satisfaction, and so I know that I did it as well, just to ensure everybody is safe and healthy. But before we jump into that portion of the video, I just wanted to ask you guys, if you do like what you see throughout the video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe before you go. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started, guys. Alright, so first things first is the OMS Medi Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector. This is what the packaging looks like. Sorry, it is white, so it's a little hard to see. This is what the packaging looks like. I have gotten this, I think it was Boxy Charm. I think I got the smaller version because this one is definitely looking like the bigger version. Yeah, this one is definitely the bigger version. This is a lip line corrector. I feel like I got this in Boxy Charm. I did use it a few times. Again, I really don't notice that big of a difference, maybe just because I really don't have that many wrinkles or lines around my lips right now, just because I am like 27. I know that it's really good just to take precaution and then just do everything early. So I will of course use this. I have used something similar in the past. That is awesome. Another product that we did get is the Chuda Healing Hydrating Cream. We've gotten a few products from Chuda, I believe. So this one is the hydrating cream, which is great. Actually, I think we got a lip one from them that I really, really do love, and we got something else from them too, but this is a moisturizer just for your whole entire face. Let me see if it has a scent. Oh, no scent. I really can't smell anything, so that is great. I really don't like when products really have a scent for the face, but I'm actually super excited to go ahead and test this out. My mom and I will probably go ahead and try this out. She definitely has more normal skin. I'm definitely a bit more oily, so hello guys. So this is something that we will probably try out together, just because I know that she would probably have more benefits towards this. The next product that we have, which I'm actually super excited about, this is the Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow Face Illuminizer. So this, I believe, is like a primer, and right? Is it a primer? I have mine in the shade Solar Quartz. Is it a primer or is it a, let me try. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. Or is it like a highlighter? So that's what it looks like. Ooh. Oh, that is very, very highlighty. Really makes the hand become very illuminated though. Let me see if I can find that on Sephora or something. Yeah, okay, so this is a highlighter. This is not a primer. It feels extremely like sticky. I do have like extremely oily skin, so I don't think this is going to be like the best match for me. I really don't like liquid highlighters. I'm definitely more of a powder highlighter girl, just because again I am oily and I really don't like that feeling. I will either try using this on my body, like feel like it would be really pretty on the like shoulders for summer, stuff like that. So I'm actually really excited to go ahead and try this. The color was really pretty. It looked really pretty on. I just really not that type of a liquid highlight person for my face. Next thing that I do have is this is the M Cosmetics illustrative eyeliner. This is the brush tip. I have mine in the shade brown. This is just like a felt tip eyeliner. I actually really love felt tips. I did need a new brown anyway. Very pigmented. I just did a little like swipe and it came out really pigmented. So I am excited to go ahead and try that out. And then we have the Tower 28. This is the Daily Facial Spray. This is more of like a primer water slash like setter slash set. So I'm actually excited to go ahead and try this out. Really, really love the packaging. I feel like it's very unique. Let's check out that mister. Ooh, a very nice mist. It smells, doesn't really have like a smell. It smells like something. I just can't remember what it smells like. It smells like something. It felt really good on the face though. So I'm really excited to continue to use this. Then the last thing that we have is the Buxom Full On Lip Polish. This is in the shade Ashley. And I love Buxom lip products. I have used Buxom before. That is what it looks like. And let's just pop some on, because why not? So let's see. To me, Buxom doesn't really give much of a pout, but it does feel really like cooling and like kind of like minty on the lips. So I actually really do love Buxom products. So that is everything that I got in the Jamie Swag Bag box. I hope that you guys did like this video. Unfortunately, it is my last month getting it. I did have to make some cuts budget-wise on what I was able to spend and stuff just because of what is going on, unfortunately. So I did have to cut this out of my budget. Again, unfortunately, I really, really do love Jamie Greenberg swag bags. They are amazing. They have introduced me to so many different products, and I'm actually really excited to go ahead and test everything out. I feel the cooling now and it feels so nice. But I have definitely really loved going... I really loved getting Jamie Greenberg's bags. I feel like everything that I get, it kind of just introduces me to something new, whether it's a new brand, new product. I am actually really, really grateful that I was able to get on her list. As always, I'm going to leave the link down below for you guys. I have done a few other unboxings if you guys are interested and want to check out what Jamie Greenberg swag bag has had in the past. So definitely go ahead and check that out. I will leave some links down below for you guys to check out. But I actually really do enjoy this box. I love the products. I feel like for 70 bucks it is worth everything. A lot of these products are like really high end. Like everything today was really, really high end. Oh no, I'm missing a Pixie. Let me get it. I knew there was something else because she always does. She always adds in like at least one more affordable product, and this affordable product is the Pixie Skin Treatment Vitamin C Tonic. That is what this looks like. I have used this before. I am obsessed with this. I am on Pixie's PR list, and this is so good. I totally forgot. I knew there was something else. I was like, wait, I know she usually gives more. So yeah, this is the last product that I got. I'm actually really excited. I really do love this. This really does help to brighten up the skin, just makes your skin look overall better. So I'm definitely a fan of this. So yeah, now it is everything. I knew I forgot something. But yeah, that is everything that I got in this month's swag bag. I really do hope that you guys did enjoy this video. Again, if you guys are interested, I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys can sign up. And also, if you guys want to see past videos, I'm going to go ahead and leave that as well. But I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. I hope that you guys are staying safe and inside. But before you guys go, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion beauty, and if you hit the post notification bell, you will get notified of all my future uploads. I usually do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 p.m. EST. But I hope that you guys did enjoy, and I will see you guys in a few days in my next video. Bye!